Dear Amazon sellers, if you have received this notification that your listings have been removed due to negative customer returns comments, you can fix it and you can recover your listing back. There is a simple two-step process. Let's proceed. First of all, you have to know what actually is the reason behind this. For this, you have to go to menu bar and then you have to click on voice of customers. In this dashboard, you will see all the comments of people, why they are returning the product, what is the rating of the product, and what is NCX rate. So you can see this is the maximum NCX rate for this product, and this is the product that is actually removed. If we go back to the performance notifications, you can see Amazon have given us notification that your this product is removed due to customer feedback. We will search for this product and you can see this is the product. We will see all the details, and in the details section we will have all the feedbacks, all the reasons that people give when they return our product. Scroll down. So we have like 10 complaints about the item is defective. Here is the summary, and if we go down you can see there are 40% complaints about performance or quality, and then there is two complaints about the wrong product. So these are actually the orders for we have received this notification or these returns. We can fix it by following a process. First of all, we have to sort out, we have to work on these issues in our product or listing. If the complaints are about the product quality, then we have to improve the product quality. If the complaints are about wrong items and or the product is not as expected, first of all, we have to edit our listing. We have to make sure all the things we are writing in our title, the bullet points, description are compliant, are actually explaining our product. So what actually buyers are looking for or what they are expecting from our product, they will receive same product, and this negative complaints will be reduced automatically. So in first step, we will sort out these issues. We will improve our product if needed, or if there is only issue with the product description or title or bullet point, we will sort out. After that, we will appeal. How we can appeal? You have to go on the menu bar in the performance and account health page. On this page, you will see this violation, product condition, customer complaints. We will open it and submit an appeal. And in the appeal, we will choose the option according to our product. How do I address this violation? I understand the policy and acknowledge the violation. This is the first step, that you acknowledge that you have did violation, understand the policy, and have evidence or documents to submit for review to confirm my compliance with the policy. Here we can claim that we are not violating anything. We can choose options according to the current situation. But I can say you have to go with the first option because you want to reactivate your listing and you want to make sure you want to show a responsible seller to Amazon. That's why choose this. Before choosing this, make any changes to your content. How do I reactivate? Then we have to choose the options. To reactivate your listing and remove this violation from your account help page, answer the questions. Are you the brand owner? Yes, we are the brand owner. Is your brand registered with Amazon? Yes. Select the primary root cause that led the defective product condition complaint. What are the reasons our product was removed and what actions we have taken? We will be choosing here. Misleading listing detail on the product detail page, insufficient quality control, insufficient user instructions, manufacturing defects during product, inaccurate. So we will choose from here, select the step that you have taken to address. What are the steps we have taken? So we will choose here that we have updated the title, our description, our product specification, and then we will submit the appeal. That's it. In this way, you can reactivate your listing. By the way, it can take like 48 hours to 72 hours. Amazon team will review your appeal and reinstate. And if they need any of the details to reactivate, then they will ask for more details. We are the first Amazon catalog optimization agency established in 2020 with experience in managing over 100K SKUs. If you want a well optimized catalog that drive more sales, contact us now. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.